Hi everybody. I'd like to talk to you today about something I never thought that I would be talking about, and that is that Microsoft is preparing us for a world without Windows. Over the last couple of years, Microsoft has taken some interesting steps to get people ready for a time when they're not going to be selling Windows. And I wouldn't believe it if I didn't see it, but I think that in the next 3 years, we're going to be living in a world where Microsoft does not produce Windows software. Here's my evidence. First of all, Microsoft is reducing their customers' dependency on Windows in a major way, and that is through Office. Office used to be the thing that made people buy Windows. Office is by far the best at what it does, and Microsoft went and put it on the web. They've now reduced the dependency on Windows by allowing you to run Office on any platform, including Mac OS X, iOS, even Android, and some of their portable platforms. Secondly, Microsoft is enabling developers to build Microsoft-related software without using Windows. Their recent announcement that you can run Ubuntu Linux binaries in Windows is sort of opening the door to a whole new tool set for developers. And the release of some new developer tools that are cross-platform and will run on a variety of different operating systems sort of signals a decoupling of developing for Microsoft technologies and Windows. And third, what appears to be their abandonment of one of the 3 tiers of their operating system strategy, and that is Windows Phone. Microsoft was really kind of late to the phone game, and we're trying to build a strategy around desktop, Microsoft Surface, and phone, and the phone part failed, and it failed spectacularly, and they appear to be distancing themselves from that failure, which kind of crumbles the whole pyramid of operating systems, if you will, and is signaling a step away from this sort of battle that they've been fighting to keep Windows relevant. So what are they going to do instead? A couple of things. One, Microsoft has been investing heavily in hardware technologies, and they're really good at it. They've actually been good at it for a long time, since the Microsoft ergonomic keyboards came out and sort of revolutionized the way that people type. At least for a time. The ergonomic mouse came along with that. And lately, Microsoft Surface has been a game changer in the sort of mid-range tablet/laptop space. It's driven Apple to incorporate a stylus into the iPad Pro. Microsoft has also been excelling at gaming hardware, while the Xbox One is not quite as advanced as some of their other systems. They're still a very respectable gaming platform, and Microsoft is taking steps into virtual reality. So it feels like what they're doing are building hardware platforms that could run pretty much any operating system, and from the recent Linux announcement, Linux may be the new operating system for Microsoft. And then the other piece of their big business strategy is cloud services and what appears to be AI services, and again in the cloud. They've released in their last conference a whole bunch of APIs and technologies to help people build intelligent chatbots, and are investing heavily in large computing clusters in Azure and to both run these and other applications and sort of bring this whole ecosystem together. So it feels to me like Microsoft really isn't investing heavily in the Windows platform. They're investing in technologies that actually liberate them from the Windows platform. Windows 10 was basically given away for free, and so it feels like they're really not making any money on the Windows platform. And so I believe that in the next few years, we're going to be living in a world without Windows. Thanks for watching. You can reach out to me on Twitter at Kevin_M_Hickey. Check out my blog at kevinmhickey.com, or leave comments below if you have any questions or want to discuss this further. Thanks a lot.